What's up, London? It's your boy, Paul Long, aka the Dodgefather, down here at Southwest Chrysler, and welcome back to another Wrangler Wednesday. For this week's segment, I thought I'd show you guys a little something different, and it's basically how the capability of these Jeeps ultimately work. What I got here is a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Again, the man of the mountain Jeep. Now what I want to show you guys today is a little part on articulation. Now what articulation is, my friends, it is basically how far that front end is going to be tucked up on one side while the other one sits down level. The articulation is going to get different degrees. And with a disconnecting front sway bar, it's going to be able to take that axle and twist it up even further than you'd expect. So what I'm going to show you first how connect without disconnecting the front sway bar to show you the difference. As you guys can see, how tight is that tire tucked up in that fender? And if you want to look at the other side, that's what a solid axle looks like getting tucked up.
Yep. Alright, so this option is specific to the Rubicon, guys, only because this is your off-road warrior. You don't need this when you're doing your mall crawl or your pavement princess. This is for the true off-road enthusiast. I know I'm not showing you guys anything more than a snowbank, but at least give you an idea of what these things are capable of for the articulation. So for this to work, what you're going to do is you have a disconnecting electronic sway bar here. Now what you're going to want to do is be on flat level ground, because you're never going to be able to line this thing back up if you don't have it level again. So what you're going to do, push it on, and as you see it's lit up, it's going to go on the dash, sway bar disconnect in progress, and now it says sway bar disconnect.
Alright guys, so now you're going to see this thing with the disconnected sway bar on.
As you can see, guys, that just shows you how many more degrees you're going to be able to get out of those tires articulating on a solid axle. Now, just put it back on so you do have your sway bar connected again. What you're going to do is put the vehicle back out to being level, and then once it's level, you're just going to hit the button once again, and it's going to come up on the dash, sway bar connect in progress, sway bar connected, and boom. That's how easy it is, guys. Thank you for watching another Wrangler Wednesday.